officially I am here in Puerto Rico. We are about to go to Playa Puerto Nuevo. So if you want to check it out, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me as we go. All right, officially we are here in Playa Puerto Nuevo in Vega Baja, Puerto Rico. For you aficionados, it's basically a city where Bad Bunny is from, and we're not here because of that, but you know, just wanted to point that out. It's a beautiful day here in Puerto Rico, nice and breezy. The temperature is just right, around 82, 83 degrees. You definitely feel the sun. And to get in, you basically come in here and you pay around $5 on the weekends, but it's not a weekend. We paid $4 to come in and park our car. And now we're going to enjoy. They do have showers here where you can, you know, comfortably take a shower, get the sand off of you. They have bathrooms. So really nice. Now the bathrooms are open from 8 to 5, just in case. But check this out. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful beach. First time here, and I absolutely love it. They have small pools if you walk down that way for the kids, and it's beautiful turquoise waters here. In the summertime, the water is much warmer, but it's not going to be a cold where your soul will come out of your body. After a couple minutes, you'll definitely get used to it. It is gorgeous. Water is crystal clear. Right. Absolutely beautiful. Let's walk to the other side, see what else we see out there. So we've gotten to a zone where you could get much waves. But then there's another part to the beach where you can pretty much lay down and relax and chill. Looks so beautiful. This is a beauty. gonna go with my wife into the agua, which is a little chilly.
Oh, no.
But as you go in, you get used to it. Hey, it's December, it's Christmas time. Come on, honey, enjoy it. Come on. Yeah, so it is chilly. It is nice. She went back. It's not bad at all, man. We're just having a wonderful time here. And there'll be more to come. Tomorrow we head off to Culebra, so be sure that I'm going to show you guys how Culebra is at this point. And we got other activities as well planned, so I'm gonna try to make the best of it from these last couple of days in Puerto Rico. And that's it, you know. Start off the new year right. Beautiful island. So if you enjoyed this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. There are a lot more videos coming up. A lot of trips coming up as well this year, so check it out.